This is insane. Insane. This is for children. This. Am I crazy here? I mean... And the noises. Yes? In the USA, you sell this for the children. And this is totally normal. It's awful. Children imitate what adults do. And mind you, you can put the button here. But no! They placed it here because it's better.